It's like having a best friend with a designer closet that lets you borrow her clothes. I have the secret to getting an unlimited supply of designer clothes, and I'm going to share it with you today. So there are two resources that I use to get designer clothes to wear in my videos, or you can use these for photo shoots, or if you're going out to an event, whatever. This is so awesome. I discovered this years ago and I've been using it ever since. There are two companies that I currently use, although I've shuffled through a couple of different companies. The two that I continue to use are Rent the Runway and La Tote. And these two companies I really, really like because you can wear the clothes as many times as you'd like and then send them back. So many good things about this. You never have to go to the store and search through racks of clothes to find things that you like. You just go online, click, 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 and they show up at your doorstep. It is such a time saver. The second thing is I don't have to spend money cleaning the clothes. I just wrap them back up in the prepaid postage envelopes and I ship them right on back. No going to the dry cleaner, again, another huge time save, and I get to wear brand new designer clothes, brand new to me, designer clothes in my videos, accessories, rings, necklaces, earrings, tops, so many awesome things to choose from. It's like having a best friend with a designer closet that lets you borrow her stuff. So if you want to check them out, I've included links below. These are my affiliate links. But by using my affiliate links, you get an opportunity to get some awesome upgrades. So go ahead and check that out. And I'd love to hear from you. How do you keep your wardrobe fresh for your video content, photo shoots, branding, all of the things? Let me know in the comments below. And remember, you're someone's reason to smile. So don't give up. Boom. It's like, oops.